Hello everyone, welcome to the Power Talk series by Electrical Mirror at ElAsia 2026. And in this series, we go beyond headlines and explore the latest insights of the industry. And today we have with us a very special guest, Mr. Pankaj from Motwane, for sharing his views with us. Welcome to Electrical Mirror, sir. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Same here.
So, sir, to begin with, can you please tell us how has been 2026 so far for Motwane in terms of business opportunities and in terms of innovations as well?
Yeah, the thing is that 2026 is quite exciting in terms of, I can say, the projects. The funding from the government for the electrical sector and the railways, that is specially coming in. And now the procurement of the test and measuring equipment where we cater the market, that is now coming in picture. And many of new innovations are well accepted as those are import substitutes. So the Indian buyers, they can save a lot of money and they can get the latest technology, latest softwares with the artificial intelligence.
So, sir, Motwane has started this journey so many years back. It has a very long legacy. So, when you started, it was in the very initial stage, electrical industry. So, how it has evolved over the years?
Yeah, I can say the Motwane started way back in 1909. So almost 115 years journey. So that time the era was analog. So from analog, digital to PC connected equipments, and now the market is demanding artificial intelligence, cloud connectivity, machine learning. So we have moved a lot in that direction so that we can help the market not only in testing and measurement, but the predictive analytics. That is our main aim, and multifold growth is only the aim. So this year also we had uh, taken over two more companies and adding one more division as a Motwane Power Quality Division. So earlier divisions were test and measuring equipment, security products division, Motwane Digital, and Motwane Test Labs, then test vans, and now we are moving towards Motwane Power Quality Division. So these multiple divisions are helping in electrical and power sectors a lot. So mostly people were dependent on many products for import substitute. So that is where the Motwane stands, and Motwane's R&D is having an important role to play in this field. After having 115 years experience and lot of doctorates in our team, they are helping the market with the latest technology.
So, the R&D is one of the major component of any firm, like it is the heartbeat of the company. So, can you please tell us more specifications of your R&D? Like, what are the USP of your R&D?
See, the R&D basically divided in four parts. The initially the R&D was only analog R&D. Later on, we got the experts who are embedded expert and hardware, which is PC communicating hardware. Now we got the team of the doctorates who are the artificial intelligence scientists, and we are collecting data on the cloud. So cloud-based engineering and artificial intelligence logic designers are in the team. So that is the need of the time. So R&D, you have to also change with respect to the time and technology, what is demanded and which is more productive to the users. So accordingly, we keep on changing. We are keep on adding more experts, and that is how the R&D is also changing with the time.
So, sir, as it is the era of AI, so according to you, how it has evolved over the years and how it is going to impact the electrical industry, especially the segment of testing and measuring equipment?
Yeah, see, the thing is that any technological change, it should be directed towards the user benefit. So user benefits are immense. Earlier, it was only for the you can get a measurement and which you can note down. Then the era of PC connectivity came. So you don't need any manual recording. It will be recorded in the PC. Now people don't want to do that also. They want automated multitask reports which are automatically generated through artificial intelligence. It will also have the facilities like fleet monitoring, which is on the screen. You can get multiple assets fleet measured, compared, and it can give you the decision making power. And the immense benefit is you can get OPEX benefit because you are saving shutdown time, you are saving testing time, and analytical times. So the OPEX benefit is immense. Similarly, when you are doing measurement, it is giving you alarm before the accident. So it is saving the capex. Then lot of human safety is taken care with this latest technology. So all the testing manpower, as the design and testing is automated, you need less human manpower. So human safety is taken care. Asset life improvement, that is also taken care. And now the worldwide latest standard which is coming in popular and becoming popular. Earlier it was ISO 9001. Now everybody is talking about ISO 55001. In European world and American world, that has become most popular. Slowly it will come in India, and that is asset productivity standard. So ISO 55000 will become popular. Then you will require a lot of test and measuring equipment, which are having AI and cloud connectivity, and which will give you predictive analytics, residual life analytics, as well as the human safety. So and automated report generation. So these are the advantages which can happen in coming world. Similarly, earlier people used to buy one equipment. Now they are demanding test vans. So we have came out with automated underground cable for locating vans, transformer testing vans, and in coming world, we will be making more focused vans like substation testing van, or maybe many more like oil testing van. So that is what is the demand coming from the market. And as we are right from the core of the technology, right from multimeter up to the tangent delta and high voltage testers, we got our experts, and now we got our artificial scientists working with us. So it is possible with the present demand.
So, sir, how Motwane is integrating AI technologies into its product offerings?
Yeah, I can tell you whatever the test results you are getting, and earlier you were saving in a computer. Now we are saving test data on the cloud. So user is getting the cloud space where the big data is gathered. Once the big data is gathered, the artificial intelligence scientist can apply the logic. He can design the logic which is predictive in nature. So you will see the nature of repeated events, or nature of the events with respect to a particular climatic condition or particular uh, operating condition. And on that basis, this logic is playing important role. So the logic is giving intelligence. Earlier human intelligence was taking in place. Now the machine intelligence will take place, and it can give more accurate, more fast, and more useful and revenue saving results.
So, sir, as you must well aware about the fact that after sale services are one of the critical component of electrical industry. So, how Motwane gives after sale services to its customers?
Yeah, the thing is that right from beginning, Motwani is known for its ruggedness. So initially, at the time of design only, we try to design the product which will have zero defects. That is the first step. After that also, there will be a service need. So as we are in the testing equipment, every year the calibration is required. Similarly, as we are moving into the new technologies, the customer training is also the part of the service. So, making them aware, uh, giving the calibration. For that, we have made the offices in different important cities, and within that offices, we have also designed the service centers. So the manpower is there, expert manpower, calibration setup is there, not only in India, but outside India also, as we are now exporting to 70 countries. So we have tied up with the authorized service providers, and they are trained and they are equipped with the spare parts and calibration standards, so that nobody in the world will have to face delay in services.
So, sir, if we zoom out globally, where does Indian market stands in electrical and equipment segment?
Yeah, the thing is that I can say it is at the mid level, because India has done a lot of progress in electrification, and still there is a lot to go ahead, because metro trains are coming, metro cities are going up. So need of the power is also growing. When the need of power is growing, need of assets is growing. And when need of assets is growing, you need test and measuring equipment to maintain, monitor their health, assets health. So the market is definitely, it will grow for another 10 years in India. But I don't think any stagnancy will come like US or Japan in India. But similarly, worldwide, some markets are growing, like Southeast Asian market or African markets. So they are also growing. So we are also in the same race. So because lot of villages are becoming towns and towns are becoming the metro cities. So this growth will continue to for another 10 years.
So, sir, as Motwane is dominating this space and sustaining in this business for more than 100 years now, so what is the one factor that gives an edge to your brand and that stands out in this competitive landscape?
See, the thing is that any business which will have a long length of its life, if you know the pain areas of your customer and if you try to solve those pain areas, the business will come automatically. Only the thing is that you should not be only selling the product, you should be giving solution which will solve their issues.
So, sir, as Motwane has 100 years of legacy, so do you have any one piece of advice for the young leaders?
Yeah, young leaders are enthusiastic and they should adopt the latest technology and not only the revenue, but if you are really solving the problems, the business will come automatically.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. It was
Thank,
a it's a pleasure to have you with us
same
today.
here.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.